This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable memory saver mode in the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To enable or disable memory saver, first thing you want to do is go to Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go down toward the bottom, down to where it says System, and click on System. Then on the center pane, down towards the bottom, it says Memory, Memory Saver. Brave frees up memory from inactive tabs. This gives active tabs and other apps more computer resources and keeps Brave fast. Your inactive tabs automatically become active again when you go back to them. If this is enabled, by default I don't think it's enabled, but you can toggle this on to enable it. Then it gives you a few more choices here: moderate, balanced, or maximum. But to disable it, you just toggle this off here. And down below that, always keep these sites active. You could add particular websites to always keep them active by clicking on Add here. But the main feature is right up top here, this toggle. That is how you enable or disable memory saver in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.